Welcome. In this video, I'll show how you can turn off Wi-Fi calling on Android. So to start, you will need to launch your device's settings, and inside the settings search, input the Wi-Fi calling query to make finding the toggle for this option easier for you. So in my case, it didn't actually work as far as I can see, so I'll just input the simple Wi-Fi query and see if I can find the Wi-Fi calling control this way. Doesn't seem to be the case. Anyway, if you won't find this option as well, just enter the network and internet category of your settings and go into SIMs and mobile network, and then, well, just generally open the preferences or the settings for whatever SIM card you would like to switch off the Wi-Fi calling for. Here in the options, look for the Wi-Fi calling. On my particular device, it is not available for some reason, but you'll find it somewhere here. The toggle for it will look like VoLTE or like any other toggle pretty much, so switch it off. Sometimes you will also find the control for Wi-Fi calling on your control panel, somewhere in here in the list of unused controls. So if that's the case, just drag it from this list to the list of active controls. This way you'll be better able to toggle it on or off on demand. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.